Hi guys, hi everyone. Okay, so today I am close to the construction site, but on the opposite side, because if I am close to it, then I won't be able to see what's going on there. So this is day number 8 of documenting the construction site. Okay. This is the day number 8 of documenting the construction site. So let's see what's up. So they are still digging a little bit, you can see. But when I take the videos from the top, you know, you can actually see what is happening here. They're clearing the land and they're also digging some more trenches, okay, on the other side. So yeah, you can still see that the snow is still there. The snow is still there, okay. But anyway, that's it for today. I don't want to take long. This is just day number 8. So we are going to see what are they constructing there. Okay, we are going to see what is being constructed. All right, and we're going to see the progress of this construction that is going on here. Let me try again to take you closer from the other angle. Okay, let's go like this. Okay, you can see. Okay, you can see. Okay. Everywhere. 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 Yeah, so today I'm very, very close to the place. So that is why I had to give you like this. But actually you won't see nicely, or rather clearly, when I'm lower like this. So I'll see you again tomorrow. See you again tomorrow.